It is so beautiful outside. It's warm out. Things are finally kicking into high gear, and I can't wait to show you what we've been up to. So exciting, everybody. We are putting in sugar snap peas as our first row, and we're using the tiller to make the placement of the ridge of where we're going to put the fence line and 2 rows of peas. It's such a beautiful day. Perfect sunshine, 70s. Got the first fence segment up, and we're going to do 2 lines of sugar snap peas. Got the first line seeds dropped in, and then we'll put the other one in. These are the peas that we plant. We did these last year and they were amazing. They're beautiful and they're delicious. So the plan is that this first section, we're gonna have the first crop of them, and then the second half of the section we will plant a little bit later. I also wanted to show off my flare. I always have these long straps on my overalls that just get in the way and I don't know what to do with them. They just kind of stick out. And I thought about it this morning. I was like, why don't I just get little brooches I've got laying around. Some of them have like rhinestones falling out, but they're still cute, and use them to cinch it together so their function and their form. I mean, I love rhinestones. I love sparkly things. I love gardening. Why wouldn't you combine them? Why wouldn't you just do a mashup? Clearing off the garden beds. So pulling all the leaves off of the growth underneath from the winter, untucking the beds so that that new growth can really get going, and we avoid any moisture, disease, things like that. It's so much fun. It actually really is. I know that sounded sarcastic, but I really mean it. Like, it is so neat to just see, oh, yep, here's what we've got. So this is flax that overwintered really well, whole bunch of it. And let's see how this clump here did. So the fun of discovery here. Just pulling it off from the winter. Oh, look at all that growth. Yay. So fun. I just love this because you're pulling back the curtain and you don't know what you're going to find. You hope that you've got good stuff here. And then this is primrose buttercup all in here. A ton of it just spread. Even seeing a new baby down here. It looks so good. So I'm just going to rustle this up. Pull some of the leaf matter away that we covered it with. Looks terrific. And I mean, these plants alone will get huge. I mean, they will get at least 2-3 feet, and they get a couple feet wide. They're just gorgeous, full of blooms in the summer. I'm always just amazed by nature. I mean, you start out so tiny and they get gigantic. Here's another really fun one. These are the baptisia, and they did great. Look at all those gorgeous sprouts coming up. This is a poppy for sure. So that's looking wonderful. Oh, this looks like it could be a poppy as well. It's white because it hasn't gotten any sun. So this is terrific. Just opening things up, airing it out. We've had a lot of moisture the last few days. Out at the mailbox garden here, I put in bulbs last fall. Just have something cheerful that would come back every year. And look at these daffodils. I love this variety. I love the orange and that cream. It's so beautiful. And all the little ruffles. Aren't the tulips gorgeous? It is just a vision of heaven out here, if we say so ourselves. Yeah, so this little vignette you're seeing here is pretty much like 10 months in the making. And what a dream.